Hello guys and welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get promo codes in Quotex using two simple and effective methods. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Open your web browser and go to a website called Ship the Deal. Click on the first result that appears in the search. Once you're on the site, go to the search bar at the top and type Quotex. You'll see it appear as the first result. Click on it. Now, you'll find a list of available promo codes, some offering 50%, 40%, or 30% bonuses. To get a code, simply click on the Show Coupon Code button. The code will appear on the screen, copy it, and you're ready to use it in your Quotex account. Method 2. Go to another site called wethrift.com. Click on the first result, and just like before, use the search bar to type Quotex. You'll see several promo codes listed. Click on Copy Code, and you're all set to apply it on Quotex. And that's it. 2 easy ways to get Quotex promo codes quickly. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.